Alright, got something kind of special for you guys. Show you the Redline T-Bird real quick. And Mattel Creations. Let's check that out. Got the box open. And there it is. Alright. And there it is. Kenny Scharf's Zoom Custom T-Bird. Check this out real quick. So I did order 2 of these, and I think we should just probably bust this one out and get it rolling. What do you think? So here she is, ready to go. Took her for a spin, and the passenger side rear tire wasn't even rolling. It was kind of stuck or whatever. Luckily I have a Redline tool, so I made the adjustment, got it squared away. Rolling good, looking amazing. Beautiful chrome bottom. Got the Hong Kong style suspension, but it does not have bearing style wheels, unfortunately. Like this does. On my charger. The bearing style is my favorite, but the look of them is really cool. But it does roll great. It looks great. A little adjustment. Beautiful detail under there. Unlike the older Hot Wheels, the hood only goes up so far. Not to scratch the paint and all that good stuff, so at least they changed that. That's cool. Good looking car. I'll be throwing it down the track at some point. Thanks for watching.